What's good, everybody? It's your boy Rob, and I'm back with an unboxing of the LG Velvet. As you can tell by the title, the phone has finally made it in to my little YouTube channel, and I'm here to give you some information about it, share some stuff about this phone. Hopefully you can get something from my content. Now, this particular phone does retail for $599 on AT&T's website. Also, AT&T has some great plans going right now. You can get this phone for about $10 a month. And seeing how we're heading into the holiday seasons, that is a pretty good deal. So be on the lookout. Some of these carriers will be trying to attract you with some great deals for the LG Velvet. Now, I don't know if this is the gray or silver version, but we will find out during the unboxing. Just like you guys, I don't know what's actually showing up in the box. LG sent out a real nice package, and I really appreciate them for sending out such a very well presentable package for such a small YouTuber like myself. You do have the LG pamphlet letting you know things about their playbook for 2020. Now, LG has stepped up their presence as far as advertising and getting their brand into a more mainstream the thoughts of the public. And to LG, that's a plus that can only help them down the road. Get a couple of cards talking about LG's design and display. As you can see, this is the AT&T variant. Check out what else is in the box. So this looks like a move before something. Okay, let's see what this is. Oh, so here's something a little extra. They sent me a sanitizer box for your phone. So in the age of COVID and things of that nature, this would like to be a UV cleaner, like the phone soap, with the LG Velvet insignia on it. Put your phone in there, expose it to UV lights, and you keep your phone a little clean from the unwanted touches of COVID. They were nice enough to send out a nice little plug to go with everything together. So that's a nice little setup. I appreciate it, LG. Thanks. Put that off to the side. What else is in here? You got the dual screen. Appreciate that. All right. Undo this right quick. Got the gray. Now let's get to the actual phone itself. Very handsome phone. I love the new design cues from LG. LG is kind of taking it to the next level with this phone. Very slim, candy bar like feel to it. Curved display. Got some stickers on the back and a nice little sign that said this is not for sale. Got a AT&T logo in the middle. Got the raindrop cameras with a large digressing down to a smaller camera. Got the power button on the right side. Let's check the boot out. See if we got any power. First impressions of this phone, very nice, very reminiscent design cues of like the Galaxy 7 Curve. Very, reminds me a lot of those older Samsung phones when the curved display was like the new hotness and everybody was trying to get curved displays on their phone. You got the volume rocker on the left. You do have like a teardrop front-facing camera. Now this is a 6.8-inch OLED display, curved, very nice bezels. It's gonna be real hard finding a screen protector for this, but it is what it is. It is a 1080 panel, so I'm still expecting it to have some great colors, reproduction. LG is pretty good. This is a 5G enabled phone, so I'm looking forward to testing out 5G. In my area, 5G is pretty good, so checking it out against how it performs with other phones that has 5G, like the Note 20 Ultra that I have. And I do still have the OnePlus 8, even though I haven't used it in a while. I got to put away, but I need to go ahead and get it back out and test the 5G against this this phone. Now, you do have a 48 megapixel 8 and 5. The 8 is a wide angle one. Up front, you do have a 16 megapixel camera, so the selfie should be pretty decent. I'm gonna go ahead and not gonna flash too many stats about this phone. I'm gonna save that later for my first impressions video, where I might go a little bit in detail about it. Up top, you do have your SIM tray. On the bottom, you do have a 3.5 millimeter headphone jack, bottom firing speaker. I don't know if this is a dual speaker phone. I'm not sure. I think it is a bottom firing speaker only. USB Type-C. Actually, I'm kind of looking forward to using this, but let's check out this real quick. The dual screen. Looking forward to this. A lot of guys on Team 100 has been using phones similar to this. Oh, it's very magnetic. Got a magnetic back, sticks to that. That's cool. Can't lose this thing right here. If you lose this, it's gonna be pretty hard to charge it. You gotta just drop it in on the bottom to top. Real nice, man. I'm looking forward to using this. I got a Cricket SIM card, so hopefully that Cricket SIM card will work out for me. So that pretty much does it for my my unboxing of the LG Velvet. Please stay tuned to my channel for more videos on the LG Velvet. Hopefully I can give you some camera and video samples, do some testing of the actual 5G, show you how it works. Other than that, if you have any questions about this video, please leave those down below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if this is your first time here, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Other than that, I'll catch everybody in my next video. I'm out.